Hi, I'm Diane Kochilas. Welcome to another Ikarian longevity class. We're doing 3 incredibly delicious recipes today, all vegan. We're gonna have fun today. This is my spanakopita forest here, and it's about making homemade pastry. It's actually much easier than most people think. Our first recipe, soufiko, is one of the great vegetable dishes of Greece. A swirl. I want to do this gently. One of the reasons why the cuisine is also so healthy, rice is pretty much already cooked. This is going into this. So you're using your thumb and forefinger to get all of the contents of the frying pan in here. Let the herbs go everywhere. Tahini that is not produced. So this spread, this is Ikarian pine honey, very, very delicious, and it looks great. Greens are already wilting as soon as they come into contact. There we have just a really simple salmon with spanakopita crust. That is exactly what we're looking for. Beautiful golden crust. The eggplant and chickpea medley. This one is herb-based. It's nice and crisp. That crosses the boundaries of the Mediterranean, and that's exactly what we're looking for. You can see the opening, making things look. Thank you. Join me again. I love having you. I love teaching. I love working with people in real time, in real life, and online. So I hope you look into some of my other classes, and maybe one day we'll meet around the table in person on the island of Ikaria.